These are the exact, Derek.
Bro, shut up!
Okay, thank you. Okay, so these are the exact spots you'll be in every single day. Okay, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Okay, so with that said, I just want to give you a little introduction on what we're going to do today. We last week did some volleyball. We put up the net. But I know that we need to learn more skills so that people actually know how to play. It makes it a lot more fun when you know how to play. So, there's another thing that I kind of noticed. Jalen, can you stop, please? Jalen, please stop. Okay, there's another thing I noticed when we are starting PE. Sometimes if we're not doing something that's really interactive, then we're not moving a lot at the beginning. So after we do warm-up, you guys are just gonna walk along the perimeter, so on the outside, okay, for 5 minutes, walk or jog, I don't care what you do. It's in your benefit to jog, it's gonna help you with the mile, but that's completely up to you, but you have to be walking. And when I say walking, I don't mean slow like this with your friends. You can walk with your friends, I don't have any problem with that, but it needs to be a nice brisk, like, walk, okay? If you're walking, it's walk fast or jog is the option. Does everyone understand?
You mean power walk?
Sure, power walk. True, yes. Does that sound good? Does everyone understand what I mean? Okay, so we'll warm up just like we do normally on my whistle. Make sure you wait for my whistle, especially when we're doing the sprinting. Some of you like to go a little quick and then it's hard to sprint if someone is right in front of you. And on back pedal, because I don't want anybody falling, but I want you to be able to do the back pedal fast. Jalen, can you please have a seat? Thank you. Okay, so for right now, we're doing a warm-up, and then you will walk the perimeter. I'll set a timer for 5 minutes. We will start with volleyball. So today with volleyball, we're just gonna work on one of the main skills that you need, which is passing. Justice, do you remember what passing is when we talked last week about volleyball? Do you remember what that is versus any other skill? Okay, so passing is gonna be with your arms, with platform. So they call this platform your arms, okay? So everyone is, do I have any left-handed people? Okay, so left-handed people, you will make a fist with your right hand and your left hand will go over, thumbs down, and you kind of move your arms out so that this surface is really flat. Everybody else that's right hand, so try it if you're right-handed, you make a fist with your left hand and the right hand goes over, thumbs are down. Notice how my fingers aren't crossed. Okay, and then this surface right here needs to be really flat. Justice, come up real quick. Okay, so you're left-handed, you said, correct? Right-handed. Okay, so that's what I thought. Okay, so which fist are you going to make if you're right-handed? Yep, and then perfect. So also when you're passing, keep your elbows locked. I don't want your elbows bent. If your elbows bend, the ball's going to like hit you in the face, okay, or go behind you. Elbows are locked. That's really good. She has a really nice platform. Her arms are really flat, which is what you want. If your arms are rigid and that's part of doing this doesn't create like a flat surface for the ball to hit off of. Okay? So again, this is called platform. Okay. Keep in mind too, guys, when you're passing, drill, make sure you're listening. When you're passing, platform, wherever the platform goes, the ball's gonna go. So if her platform's here, where's the ball gonna go? Up, straight up, maybe behind her. If it's here, definitely behind, okay? If she drops her left shoulder and her platform is faced there, where's the ball going?
That way.
This way. And then angle the right shoulder that way. Does that make sense? Yes. So that's how you're able to, thank you, Justice. That's how you're able to guide the ball to the angle that you need. So the first thing that we'll do is, Rain, come out real quick. Actually, your whole group come out. We'll just demonstrate what we're gonna do. Okay. So, you don't want it? No. Okay. Okay, so come on this side, Nature. You guys stay there. Nature on this side. Okay. So, and we're gonna do it. I'll show you. It's gonna be, you'll have one ball per group, and then you move back a little bit, move back a little bit. Okay, so if I'm in her group, I'll go first, Nature can go after me. I'm gonna toss to Rain and literally toss. I don't mean at her head. It's gonna be really hard to pass the ball if it's at her head. So the toss needs to be right in front of her, needs to drop in front. Does that make sense? Do you see also the toss that I did was this way, up in the air, right, with like an arc on it? Okay, it wasn't hard at her face. It wasn't with one arm. 2 hands, just shoot it up to her, okay? Good. So, and that's a great toss too back for me to be able to pass it. Because remember, we're passing. Passing is with arms and platform. This is setting. Right now, we're just gonna do passing. So what we'll do is I will toss to Rain. Rain will, you don't have to pass this, a basketball, I'll grab a ball. I will toss to Rain. Rain will then pass back to me. And then I will then, sorry, you keep it. I will give it back to her because she passed it to me. Then I will pass it back to her. Okay? Then we switch. And then Caitlin, you guys switch. Okay? Caitlin's gonna toss to her. Nature will pass it to her. She'll give her the ball back. She will toss, and the other person passes. Switch people. Does that make sense? Very easy drill. That makes sense. Okay, that is where we will start, and then I will maneuver the drill differently after. Make sense? Okay, thank you for help. Okay, so let's start right now with warm up, and then we'll go into your walk.